Hey y'all, let's do a DIY storage video today. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a drill, some jars, some hardware. I've got these machine screws, washers, and hex nuts. You're going to need a hammer, a drill bit, a nail, the head's off this one, and then something to hammer on because we're going to be poking a hole in here. So this is what we're going to need, and let's get busy. I have 23 of these baby food jars that I got for free on Facebook. And what I'm going to do is I need to take the lid off of each one. I need to poke a hole in the center. I have a broken nail and a hammer. Just like that. So this is where I work, and this is why I need help. So here's all of my jars. And what I'm going to do is mount them here, all along the top of my workbench. I'll be drilling holes here. So the lid is about 2 inches, so I'll be drilling a hole about every 3.5 inches. So starting here, I marked it about every 3.5 inches or so. That's a little bit better. But my LEDs take up some room, so I have to do another one until I'm a little bit over from here. So this makes room for about 15 out of the 23. One. So I have tons of these little drawers. I have these like for little travel mason jars. These little plastic. I mean anything that I can put stuff in. I have. And tons of things in just trays around. And I also have just tons of things in bags. Stuff everywhere. And now, all I have to do is just look up in these glass jars and see. Now, I need to make a video on getting organized. So in the meantime, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. But I'll talk to you soon.